5. Best home temperature monitor. Number 1. ThermoPro TP50 Digital Hygrometer Indoor. It's designed to provide you the best possible experience and comes with an air comfort indicator that displays whether the air is wet, dry, comfort. This is basically a humidity sensor that notifies you about the condition in your home in easily readable icon. The thermometer can be used in a greenhouse as well because it shows accurate temperature with the help of ±1 degree Fahrenheit and ±2-3% RH. So the hygrometer shows any fluctuations in temperature instantly. Number 2. ATEC CT Laser Grip 774 Digital Infrared Thermometer. You can actually measure object with this thermometer. Actually, although the device isn't ideal for humans or animals, it can be used to inanimate objects like food or beverage. The thermometer is excellent if you are working in a production factory. You will have something in your pocket that can determine the temperature of manufactured goods. Likewise, the monitor can determine the best temperature from 14.17 inches or 36 centimeters of distance. It comes with a laser light that helps you measure the temperature accurately. You can just point the laser to a specific spot to measure the temperature. The results are displayed in less than 500 ms on the screen. Number 3. Accurate 00613 Digital Hygrometer and Indoor Thermometer. Mounted with a magnet or its clip, works like a magic in measuring humidity. It comes with sensors to measure it and lets you know if the house is too warm or cold. Temperature and humidity low-high measurement is also displayed on the LCD screen, along with the relative humidity. The simple design of its thermometer makes it ideal for homes with kids. It's very easy to read as everything comes with the label underneath. You can attach the monitor to your fridge or to a metal plate as it has a magnet attached to its back. Thus, weighing on 3.2 ounces, the light thermometer is great to be kept anywhere. Number 4. Honeywell Home Wi-Fi. This one will help you take a walk down the memory lane. The device resembles a widely popular gaming device. It's an attractive thermometer that'll fit right in your home. Clearly, this is an advanced temperature monitor. The device requires a C wire for operating, but you can also use the G wire jumper cable that comes with it. Not using C wire means that you miss out on independent fan control, and the fan does run as long as your system runs. Number 5. Immersion Sensi Wi-Fi Smart Thermostat. Measure your home's temperature and save energy at the same time with this amazing monitor. This device comes with Energy Star certification, which means it can help you save cost on HVAC energy. Its unique features including flexible scheduling, geofencing, and remote controllers help save energy. Besides, all the features are facilitated by a Wi-Fi connection. It comes with an inbuilt app that will provide instructions for installing the monitor in less than 30 minutes or so. The universal design and size ensure that you don't have to do any repainting or distempering work. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.